guys, we're here at Busch Gardens to test out their newest roller coaster, Tigris.
We're so excited to ride it.
I don't like this. No, here. I'm nervous.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
So we just got off the ride.
It's really awesome.
My brain is still scattered. I was so scared, so scared. I hate roller coasters.
She was screaming the whole time.
So much fun.
It was
a lot.
Literally so intense. I didn't expect it to be that like because you
It's
go up
huge.
and then it brings you back down and
Back.
then you go around.
Yeah. And overall, 10 out of 10.
So what was the inspiration behind the ride?
So the inspiration behind the ride was that we needed a new thrill ride because the previous ride we opened was Cobra's Curse.
Right.
That's a family attraction. So we needed a new thrill ride that we wanted to put in.
Mm-hmm.
We had a footprint that we kind of picked out of where it was going to go in the park. And so this is kind of a compact thrill ride, and it fit perfectly in the site.